So you can see it goes pretty far down this way. Those are the guys working down there, putting down the lower mods. And then it goes pretty far down there that way. So there's about 100 rows on this side of the field, and then on the other side there's another 100. So altogether it's about a little bit over 200 rows, and each one has about I would say we have close to 110,000 solar panels, these guys. And they're double-sided, so it absorbs energy from this side and from the bottom. So when we get snow on the ground, the sun will reflect off the snow, and it's gonna hit the bottom of these panels. So they'll charge from the top and the bottom. So it's kind of cool like that. And there's like 3 other companies out here that are also doing the same thing. So this is what it looks like. The lower ones have been installed. There's going to be another panel that go on the very top. So I'll go check up on the guys doing the tops and then see how we're doing, and I'll show you what it looks like.